your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to swing, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's freedom, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Smashing, baby.
Count of three. I want everybody the place to be. To make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3.
Rock your body. What?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Grounds outside, right through the bulkhead entrance. This is an unusual bulkhead, too. The steps are steel, the whole...
Yeah. But of course, the other thing this does is connect through to the deck. There's a little
of learning more about their old house.
We're really happy about the final project. Immediately we felt back at...
And the screwdriver.
Okay.
We'll see how we did. Okay. One more.
Stone on the wall?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Now, we're going to start on the corners. The manufacturers actually made it so that two pieces of stone will weave together on the corner.
The darker, the quicker we take it off, the lighter.
Yes. Yep.
Once we've gotten it all off, we want to talk about...
I'm going to position the draw front where it goes. Relationship.
Okay, Seema.
Right about there. Come down just a little bit.
It's going to flatten out this part.
All right, Roberta. Want to move that? Want to follow me with the vacuum? Start right here. Just got a fine line right down. Nice.
All right. Now, below that is our single lever pressure balance shower.
Wire as black.
So permanent black marker to make sure no one forgets that that's hot ever in the future.
Yeah.
That's good news for you. But it's bad news for me because these drawers block where the hot and the cold line come up through the floor. Yeah, why don't you put it where it wants to be right now? You should start seeing some putty squeezing out.
It is.
Okay.
Pour some water on different areas of the surface, high traffic, low traffic, shady and sunny areas, and so on. The water should soak into the wood quickly.
Chris, let's take a second and tell the people about the heat. We're using oil heat with the passive solar assist, aren't we?
Oh, no, that's just... So you've got this nub and a mirror image of it right there.
Right.
You could find. So, return air comes in through this big duct right here, gets pulled across a coil right here. The air gets heated or cooled.
Well, why don't I just tack this one in, because believe it or not, you're right into the attic, okay?
So there's 3 more holes.
All right, then I've got my shower in the corner over there.
All right, 36-inch shower, which we know the center of that drain will be 18 off each.
I'd love to have just knocked out this whole window in one fell swoop so that we could provide you with a little bit of drama.
It's $600. Now we're going back up again in price.
This looks more like a fireplace in a ski lodge than anything. Norman is doing out in the living room. Well, let's do it.
Get some shingles.
The tips of the paper, like so, and draw a line.
So that you've got guide points. Should we all have face masks on?
Well, I have to. You should
I'll back off.
back off a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
An auxiliary fence to rip those wide pieces, and we have a simple Long Island built
Fish in there. Yeah, it looks like it could be that. How do we get it unclogged in a hurry? Are you going to use a plunger, or what do you do exactly?
So, in other words, if you turn it that way, it sucks, and the other way, it blows. It blows. Well, you know, we've said it.
Nothing, Larry, nothing. What we do seem to have here is a stool that is a little uneven. What could be the problem here,
Well, it
Ralph?
could be a loose nut end under here.
A loose what? We're going to take a look and see what Larry's working on here. You want to move around the post, Gary, so we can see what Larry's doing here?
So don't go away.
This old house.
I can see it go in. I hope I don't miss it.
These are practically handmade.
30 for campaign the chart.
We don't know where we can get rid of it. I'm calculating we've got about 3 cubic yards of this to dispose of. And gone are the days.
This old house is made...
Think it was worth it?
Not my call, Steve.
Very diplomatic, Tommy. You want to see a dramatic effect? Step out in the back.
Vinyl from the top floor in the basement. And then on the main floor, I've used some higher-end, nice fir, you know, went with kind of the nicer windows and doors here. And then I've insulated everything, the attic.
So demolition. So we'll be visiting with them and Richard on the track, and you can move them around and aim them in whatever direction you want.
That's right.
Let's see if it works. So,
How are you? All right. What now? What have we got going here?
What we got going here? This is our animal.
My mission in life as far as being independent again. Because when I come home, I take off my prosthetics most of the time, and I like to hop in my wheelchair and just relax. I can't.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Yeah, baby. On your mark.